In this video, I'll show you how to select multiple photos on Mac. It's a basic skill, but a lot of people still haven't quite figured it out. So let's go over some standard ways to select multiple photos. Let's say I have some photos right here in Finder. For the first method, if you want to select photos that are right next to each other, you can use your mouse or press and hold the trackpad on your MacBook, and then just drag over the photos that are close together. Once you do that, the selected photos will be highlighted. Now, what if the photos you want to select aren't next to each other? In that case, you can hold down the Shift key or the Command key. Just keep in mind, holding the Shift key can actually work exactly like the Command key to select scattered photos, but only if you are in the icon view. If you are in other views, the Shift key is used to select a continuous range of files instead. I usually prefer holding down the Command key, then I click to select the second photo, and click again for the third one. By doing this, the photos you clicked on earlier won't be deselected, and you can easily grab multiple photos that are scattered around. Okay, if you want to select absolutely everything, just press Command-A, which means Select All. When you do this, every item in the current Finder folder will be selected. Here's a quick tip. Let's say you want to select all the photos in this folder except for the Photo Library folder. Instead of clicking every single photo one by one, which takes forever, you can just press Command-A to select all, then hold down the Command key and click on the Photo Library folder to deselect it. This way, you can quickly select all your photos while leaving that one folder out. Alright, thanks for watching the video. See you next time.